Hello, this is the third video of our video series How to Develop Inventory Management System with PHPMaker. In the previous video, we set up stock item table. In this video, we are going to set up master tables. In database terms, master tables are those tables which we once configure, then we can use them in another tables, and values of these tables may not change again and again. So you can say the frequent data which is getting changed over and over, that is called transaction table, and data which is once configured may not change again and again, that is master table. So for our inventory project, we need four master table. Those are tax master, category master, supply master, and customer master. The definition of this four table is as this. We'll need ID as a primary key, which will identify a record, tax label, tax value for the tax master, whereas a label will store it as the label for tax, like GST 20%, and tax value will store tax value, which is 20. Similarly, category master is to categorize the item. For example, for electronic shop, they may sell phone, tablet, laptop, or other electronic items. So you can create a category for phone, tablet, laptop, and so on, and that will be linked with the product. Supplier is the one who supplies the goods or item. So we'll have information about the supplier, his name, his company, phone, mobile, fax, email, website, his address, city, state, phone, etc. We can have other columns if you need as per your business. Similarly, for the customers, we have customer master, customer ID, customer name, company name, phone, mobile, billing, and shipping address. So this is the basic structure of all the master tables. So now we'll create this in our database, and I will share you create statement of all four in the description box. Here we have all the create statement for tax, category, supplier, and the customer. We can go to SQL and write down our query, and we can use this go button to execute them. So after executing them, you can see all the four tables are created. Thank you for watching this video. If you need any help with the PHPMaker or have any project related queries, you can contact us on learn.phpmaker.help@gmail.com. Share your comments, subscribe to channel, and please hit bell icon so that you will not miss any update from the channel. Thank you for watching the video.